Hey everyone, so I just wanted to come live. I realized there's not really a great how-to video for how to shake your shake, and then tomorrow or later this afternoon I'll come live and show you how to blend a shake. So for those of you who are new, or maybe you've just never shaken a shake before, I wanted to show you. So this cup everybody gets when you start with 100 business volume. You get a little pack, you get the measuring tape, you get this cup, this size. So as you can see, when I shake my shake, I personally like it very cold, and I also let the ice do kind of the blending for me of the shake. So I have ice almost up to the 12-ounce line in the cup, so it's about halfway. And then when I shake my shakes, don't like them to be thick. I like it to be more like milky consistency. So I put water in past the 16-ounce line, so I have half ice and then up to that 16-ounce line, so that I can just fit my shake powder in the top. And then I'm also weird and love to use a straw when I drink my shake. So I'm gonna do a dairy-free vanilla chai because this has been my go-to flavor lately. And I just pour the packet in there. And then here's what's amazing. I love the vanilla chai with a scoop of Isagenix. So I'm doing the 16/8, so this is my first meal for the day. So I'll also do a scoop of Isagenix. So you'll notice it's literally on the top. And then I'm just gonna screw the lid on. It comes with a little plastic piece. I don't use the little plastic piece because it's one more thing to wash, and I don't really want to wash one more thing. So I literally just screw the top on, so you'll see ice, water, and then the shake on the top. And then you just shake it like crazy. You'll be able to see like how it's shaking. So if you are someone who goes to work and you don't have a blender, this is a great option. When I am on the go, I will take a large, or a cup like this, hydro flasky cup, fill it with ice, put the lid on, put it in my car. Carry a bottle of water with me, that way I have ice to pop in here and I have water, and it's super simple, super easy. So there you have it. Literally pop it open. So good. But I do like a straw because I don't like when the ice hits my teeth. But super easy to shake a shake. I'll come on later and show you guys how to blend a shake.